this is Yuxi Chen. This video is for the assignment 6 animation. So the first animation is a simple animation. So one animation must include movement. So um, let's see, it's in the game. So the first simple animation I used is here the blocks. The moving blocks is will uh, be generated and moved to towards the center point. So here let's see how I implement this. First is here just create and move the enemy. So this function, so this will decide how many enemies will be generated. So from 2 to 8, I think. And the next one is I use a for loop. First calculate the angle, because you can see it's a circle. And calculate the angle and calculate the spawn positions. And next, get the rotation because the enemy should face to the center point. And the last thing I think is so here the enemy will be created, and after that it's time to make the enemy moves. So I write the move logic in this function. First, you need to pass the game object, and then pass the center position, which is the current position of the player. So here calculates the direction to the center based on the enemy position and the center position. After that, get the enemy rigid body. To make the enemy moves, just add some force to the enemy rigid body, and then the enemy will be moved towards to the center point. And those code is no is for the when to destroy the enemy. So I will just skip this part. So this is how it looks like in the game, the simple animation. So the last part is spreadsheet animation. So I create the spreadsheet by this software. So you can see you can draw the pixel, and you can draw and just draw each frame. And after that, you can see the preview, make it move. And when you think, oh, this animation is good enough, you can export it as a spreadsheet. So into our project, into our Unity project. So here art. So here this one is for the So this one is for the gyms. So here the gym animation spreadsheet, and I think break block, and I think here this one is for the dash, and this one is for the player idle. So after you import the spreadsheet, you can create the animation. You can create a animation and just uh, drag the spreadsheet into the animation. So and use a controller to control the animation play. So first here is the gym animation. So here is something like this, and the first frame and the last frame is the same frame as the requirement ask. This is first frame and this is the last frame. So and when you in game, you can just check here, dream, and you can play it. So something will will have something like this. So this is for dreams, and for the enemies, this is how the enemy looks like. And next one is for the player here. This is the player animation, and um, for the blocks and for the gyms is about the same animation controller, which is just an entry and an ideal block is will just keep play this animation 10 to 10, and I think for the dream controller, the same, just play this infinitely. But for the our characters, well, our player is at a dash stage, so I set a parameter dash here. So when the player dash, I can change. So when the player dash, I can change this parameters and by my code. And once it's been set to the true, it will transfer from the idle state to the player dash state, and um, this will play the animation, the dash animation. And after that, when the dash is finished, it will be set to the false, and it will just go from the player dash state to the um, idle states. So this is how the player animation looks like. And I think for the player, as a requirement, ask the first frame and the last frame need to be the same frame. So you can see the first frame and the last frame is the same. So yeah. So that is the whole content for my assignment 6. So I think thanks for your time. So let me stop this.